Introducing the KAE. This low-profile dip switch is available in positions ranging from 1 all the way up to 12, giving you the flexibility to create a switch perfectly suited for your next application. The actuators themselves are extended or recessed with or without a top seal tape. The top seal tape is designed to withstand wave soldering and board washing during the assembly process. 3 termination styles are available in either splayed, gull wing, or straight. All options come in a gold contact material. Both tube and reel packaging are available depending on your preferred method of installation. The electrical ratings for this dip switch include the carry at 100 mA at 50 VC and for the switch 25 mA at 24 VDC. With a 2000 life cycle rating and an operating temperature of -20 degrees up to 85 degrees Celsius, the KAE is suited to the following applications: garage door openers, test and instrumentation, telecommunications, and controller applications. As always, we recommend going to eswitch.com to gain a more detailed overview and to take full advantage of all free spec and data sheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.